Hi everybody out there, Mark Mannering here from Class Training with another you-know-what 3-Minute Thursday. 3 tips in 3 minutes, more or less. This time round we're going to cover 3 great ways that you can jump or navigate around to particular sections in your Excel workbook. Some obscure little methods that you can use, but very powerful and that will save you lots of time. So let's get into it. And here I've got my typical example of a profit and loss report, whatever it is, but I've got lots of tabs at the bottom there, lots of sheets, contents, profit and loss, and so on. You might have lots more. And the dilemma is to try and jump around and navigate to particular sections in those sheets. The first way to do it is to use so-called cell range names. And I've already got it set up in my example here. Those cell range names appear in the so-called name box, which is in the top section here, just to the left of the formula bar. There it is there. If I click the drop down for the name box, you can see I've already set up cell range names that relate to the particular sections that I want to jump to. So for example, if I click on quarterly income here, it jumps to but also selects those particular cells, in this case for the quarterly income. If I click there again and go to costs, you can see I've selected the costs or jump to those costs. I can go to here again and go to refinance, which highlights that cell there on this particular worksheet. But these cell range names can also be used for other sheets. So if I go to here and go to sales report, it jumps to a cell in a different sheet, a different workbook tab. I can come down here and go to the team sales report, jumps to another sheet, and so on. The second suggested way is to use so-called hyperlinks. I've got a tab here called contents. Just go to that. You can see I've got a little table of contents here as well. And this is just using hyperlinks. If I click on profit and loss report, little link hand comes up and it jumps to the same sort of position or section as before. I've got a link here called contents to take me back to that table of contents page. I go to sales report here, click that, jumps to the particular section that I want to jump to. And the third and final suggested method is to use Excel's go to function. Go to, jump to a particular section and select those cells. That's up on the Home tab. We go Home tab over here on the right-hand side, all the way over here, go to Find and Select, and there's Go To there. Click on that, and there's a box there that comes up with previous destinations that I've been to. Where it says Reference there, I can enter one particular cell, or I can click again one of the cell range names that appears here. I'll just go Escape key. The keyboard shortcut is Control-G. It brings up the same box again so I can jump to a particular cell. You can also go to the Special button here. Click on Special, and this is where lots of Excel features and particular types of cells will appear. So for example, if I click on Formulas, and I'm on this particular sheet, the sales report sheet, if I click Formulas here and click OK, it jumps to and selects all the formulas in this worksheet, in this tab. So I can double check them, edit them, whatever it might be. If I go to the Team Sales tab down the bottom here, press Control-G, go straight to Special there, and again use Formulas, click OK. I want to check what those formulas are. Again, it highlights all of the formula cells, so again you can view them, check them, and so on. Okay, so there you go, people. 3 great ways to jump around and navigate to your spreadsheets. Number 1, use the cell range names feature. Number 2, use hyperlinks. Number 3, use the Go To Special dialog box in Excel. Now, we cover all this in our Excel sessions and more, so have a look at the website when they're coming up over there or down there, or contact me for any group sessions that you might be after. And it's Mark Mannering from Class Training. See you until next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.